How to disable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the accessibility option you see there and then tap on the touch option. Now in this particular interface, scroll down and select the call audio routing option you see there. Here, make sure the automatic or the Bluetooth headset option is selected in order to disable automatic speaker. If it is selected to speaker, then go ahead and choose the automatic option or the Bluetooth headset option, and with this, your phone will no longer be in speaker mode automatically. So, this is how you can disable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.